Hey everyone, it's Stephen here, and it's Sunday, April 28th, 8:15 p.m. So why am I sharing the time and the date? Because usually ito yung time or yung moment kung saan nag-edit ako ng video, which is for Snap the next day. So if you could see in my background, that's me. Me there. Diba? So I'm editing it the whole day of Sunday for you guys to enjoy on a Monday. So para meron kang baon for the whole week na knowledge or sharing or something. So yeah. However, so before that, I'm sorry if this video or video update would seem na medyo wala siyang production quality in quotes, or kung feeling mo medyo tabingi yung camera or pangit yung lighting. So I'm sorry because this was a quick decision to do. Naisip ko lang tong ngayon lang din. Dahil nga hindi ko nagustuhan kung ano yung kinalabasan nung shoot ko last week, Thursday. So I have 2 episodes of Snap that is gonna come out tomorrow and the following Monday. So I record it every Thursday, every evening, and then medyo imbak yun. So ini-imbak namin para hindi kami nagsushoot palagi. So syempre mahirap mag-setup ng lights and everything. So we shoot it in batches. So that's how we work here sa Space Fellow. But as I was editing it today, I was rough cutting the video since I think 10 a.m. this morning. So as I've told you in some of the previous Snap episodes, the importance of a script, right? So the script for this episode that I was editing today, it's a great script. It's about procrastination. However, I really felt that what I was talking about was not, hindi naman sa hindi ko siya forte, pero feeling ko kung ano yung pinagsasabi ko on cam or dun sa document, it's somehow out of touch for myself. So kumbaga ako mismo nagandahan dun pero hindi ako makarelate dun sa laman nung content na yun. Parang ang hirap niyang ilabas yung video na yun with me myself telling you guys to be authentic on camera and to be authentic in your script. Like procrastination, everyone goes through that problem in life, but me speaking about it would be a total contradiction to what I was telling you guys to do if you're a starting creator. So I'm making this as an update, and I want also to be transparent and accountable to you guys because our channel has grown this past couple of weeks. Though not in subscriber count, we were noticing upticks in our unique viewers. So our videos are performing well, and there's a longer retention span for those who are watching. So from the bottom of our hearts, from me, myself, and my business partner RG, we thank you so much for supporting Space Fellow, and we thank you so much for giving us a chance to entertain you and also inform you of things that we have learned along the way as a team. So on behalf rin of our talent, si Von, si Pat, from Everything Together, and si Delo and si Diego na kasama rin namin. We thank you guys so much for supporting our channel and our contents, because it really means a lot to us for a team who is starting small and starting at zero. We see how we grew over a span of 1 year or less. So ilang years na? Ilang months na ba? Para mga 6-7 months na that we are running Space Fellow. So we thank you for giving us a chance to be with you guys on your digital space. So back to that video. Mula sa script na hindi mismo ako makarelate, I decided not to push out this episode behind me. I think this and the sister episode of this episode, I think it won't see the light of day. Or maybe I'll reshoot it or rehash the script in the far future. But I need to consult first my team before I make other moves. Kahit ako, hindi ko siya matagalan panoorin eh. Because when I edit my videos or our videos, I edit it down and I preview it. And actually, while I was previewing this episode, parang 60% na yung nakat ko from this whole 30-minute recording. Just imagine, 60%. Meaning, 60% yung hindi ko na-typean na laman or sinabi ko. Pero maganda siya on script. Pag binasa nyo guys yung script, kunwari iba-vlog entry namin yun. Not vlog, iba-vlog as in the written one. Iba-vlog entry namin yun. May matututunan kayo eh. Pero it sounds ingenuine coming from me. Maybe I'm not the right person to talk about it. And while I was shooting it, I really felt that there were times that I am taking myself aback, na hindi ko binibigay yung all ko. Not because tinatamad ako that time, but may something talaga eh, na it didn't feel right for me to share those thoughts. Like, I was the one also who wrote the script, but yeah. From now on, we'll make Snap more authentic. I was discussing this matter with RG actually last Thursday as well. Or last Friday, so rather. That I told him, I think we need to pull out the word per word script for Snap. Sabi niya, bakit kuya? Kasi sabi ko, kahit ako parang napipikian sa sarili ko eh. So, it feels fake. Hindi siya natural. Though yung sinulat ko dun, totoo. Galing yun sa puso ko. Lahat naman ng sinulat ko, galing yun sa puso ko. Dahil gusto ko yung i-share sa inyo. Pero, yun nga, sa delivery, minsan nagkakatalo. So, baka nagtatanong kayo, baka long time subscriber na kayo. Nagtatagalog naman pala siya. Bakit sa Snap English? Yeah. If you've noticed, yung programs namin for Space Fellow, very segmented siya. Because we're aiming ourselves to become a media and production company in the far future. And we're modeling ourselves with a digital creator group in Singapore. Also hosts multiple shows under one channel. And it's a great thing kasi wala pang ganong channel masyado sa Philippines. And we see the potential of having that kind of channel where you have multiple hosts, hindi iisang tao. Because usually pag YouTube, di ba, isang tao lang lumalabas sa kada video na na-upload dun sa channel na yun. But this, grupo siya, marami siyang hosts, marami siyang talents, maraming format yung mga shows. So, okay. So, with that said, bakit si Snap fully English? It's because we want Snap to cater to a general audience. Meaning, Class A to Class D. Basta nakakaintindi ka ng English. We want to cater to you. Yun. But yun yung sabi ng sabi ng isa nating teammate eh. Ano ba yung main audience natin? 'Di ba? Filipinos. So, mas maganda kung Filipino straight ang salita, 'di ba? Though we will have a podcast that will be returning soon na full English just because the host is able to speak in straight full English. Okay? So, bibigay ko na sa kanya yun. Pero si Snap, I think from this episode will be part of Snap. This video rather. So, from this video on, and then yung mga susunod pa, makikita nyo na taglish na si Snap. So, huwag kayong magugulat na baka sinishare nyo yun sa mga kaibigan nyo sa abroad. Bigla nyo isinare, puro taglish na yung naririnig nila. 30% na lang yung naintindihan ng mga friend nyo. So, ayan, just so you know, ayan, here's an update. That's why there's an update video like this. So, that's how Space Fellow is functioning. So, very segmented. Marami kaming iba't ibang program. Kung mapapansin nyo yung latest post namin, you see there that we have our regulars, which is the Snap, on Mondays. Ayan, lalabas yan dito kung sisipagin ako i-edit siya. Everything Together, Wednesdays. Though hindi sila magiging regular muna na every other Wednesday kasi medyo busy yung mga host namin doon. But they're making their content. Don't worry. As soon as the raw content comes, we will edit it and publish it in schedule. So, don't worry sa mga fans ni Von tsaka ni Pat. My fans. Meron kaming new series ni RG. Kung alam niyo yung iBundat, diba? So, iBundat takes a long time to produce. Like, one episode takes us roughly a month to write it with the jokes, and then the editing, it takes 3 to 5 days to edit it. So, just imagine kung regular occurrence siya. So, we're aiming to make iBundat a comedy special. So, para balance naman yung mga content natin, hindi puro serious. Pero anong papalit kay iBundat? So, by June 7, I think, by June 7, we will have a new vlogcast. So, babalik yung vlogcast namin. Abangan nyo yung first episode. It's called Brain Dead. So the vlogcast is called Brain Dead. So, marami kami pag-uusapan doon ni RG. Hindi pa kami nakikita masyado mag-usap on cam na walang script. And then, meron ding ka-vlog. Ayun. Lalabas na si ka-vlog this May. And lastly, abangan nyo yung bago namin na hindi ko alam kung tatawagin namin siyang food vlog eh. Pero more of food-centric siya. So, it's called Hunger Rangers. So, this is the poster. It's called Hunger Rangers. And syempre, sino pa ba mag-host nun kundi kami ni RG? Pero we're gonna try to put in other hosts from our team. As soon as their schedules permit, makikita nyo sila on cam. Like what I was saying a while ago, ang daming kinoconsider or ang daming kinoconsider behind the camera. Hindi madali na maglabas ng content every week, or kami nga in our case every other week eh. Like ang show lang naman namin na every week is si Snap. But yun nga, kahit sa akin it's taking a toll because I have to have my weekends in work mode just so umabot yung episode on a Monday. Bakit di nyo iurong ng Tuesday or Wednesday? Because we have a certain pattern and we are noticing that we disrupt that pattern of upload. Kunwari, we put something so close to another program. The two videos they do dog eat dog. So, nagkakainan sila ng audience share. So, kawawa rin naman, di ba? Kawawa naman yung kabilang team na naghihirap para sa video nila. And ayaw na rin ma-feel na parang naglalabas lang kami ng video just for quantity. So, we want to push out video that is quality. Hence, my decision not to push this and the other episode out. We want to make sure that we push out the best that we can. So, if we feel na it's not the best, sometimes pinipigil na yung ilabas. Hindi na nilalabas yung video. Or minsan, susubukan sa post-production na lagyan ng kung ano-ano. Para lang gumanda. Pero yun nga, at the heart and center of our team, we want what's best. Because we want to watch, or rather, we want to make what we want to watch. So, narinig ko yun from a YouTuber. I forgot his name. Yeah, he said that. Na they want to make videos about what they want to watch. And it's the same thing that every YouTuber can echo, diba? In their content creation life. Na ang gagawin kong video ay yung gusto kong panoorin. Kasi kung ayaw ko naman panoorin yun, ba't ko gagawin yun? Diba? So, parang naglolokohan lang tayo. And surprisingly, it's this video that I recently made na feeling ko niloloko ko lang yung sarili ko. Actually, kung nakikita nyo, even myself on the screen is not amazed. He is not amazed at what he was talking about. I want to share to you guys is when you're on YouTube, the imposter syndrome is very, very real. I think that's what I've experienced this week when I shot these 2 episodes is I was trying to become someone else. Like, even the audio was bad because I had to put the mic off cam. Like, in previous episodes, the mic was near, but you'll see a bit of the mic. So, medyo maarte ako sa editing. So, ayokong pag may off-cam, kailangan off-cam siya totally. Walang shadow niya or whatever. But in this case, the mic was too far and even the audio was bad. Not just the video itself. I mean, the video quality is good, but the content was bad. So, the audio was also bad. So, kahit i-rescue ko yung video na to, itong 2 episodes na to, cringe yung lalabas. Sa akin pa lang wala pang music yun, wala pang mga BGM. Being a YouTuber is really hard, especially if you're pushing yourself to the limits. Yun yung experience ko this week because we want to what's the right term? We want to arrest the rise? No, hindi arrest. We want to catch up with the rise in our audience share. Yun. RG and I wanted to catch up with the rise in our audience share. So, ako naman, on my end, gusto kong mag-push out ng video. Pero yun nga, aanhin namin yung malaking audience share kung lalayas naman sila kasi pangit yun naman yung nilalabas naming video. Or kahit kami mismo, hindi namin mapanood dahil napapangitan kami. Diba? So, we're sorry if you were actually waiting for a formal episode of Snap. But unfortunately, I can't write that fast. With something that is off deadline tomorrow. So, or yeah, today, tomorrow. Yeah, you get the point. I tried to tweak it, but it went too far. Yung learning ko, doon sa shinare ko sa inyo last episode, na scripts are good It gives you on point. It takes you home sa point nyo. Pero if you rely too much on it, okay, I need to emphasize that. If you rely too much on it, it could be a disaster. So, a script is a script. It has its powers, but it also has its disadvantages. That's my learning this past week. Never to rely too much, but also never underestimate the power of a script. So, like this update video, meron tong script outline, kasi kung hindi, labo-labo lang yung sinasabi ko kung saan tayo susuot. Pero yun nga, the script is flexible this time. So we're gonna try this format for our next Snap episodes, and let's see. Diba? Since ang mas gusto naman natin lahat, kahit ako na nagko-consume ng YouTube videos, mas gusto ko yung authentic na creator na pinapanood ko. Like, kung tuturuan niya ako, mas authentic. Hindi yung parang overproduced, ang daming effects, shung. Tapos mga graphics na umiikot. Di ba? Parang, teka lang, gusto ko lang naman matuto about something. Hindi ko naman gustong manood ng Star Wars. And I think that will go as well for our upcoming lineup of shows. Because our upcoming lineup this second half of 2024, it's an exciting lineup of programs. And kahit ako, na-excite na ako to edit those. Kasi bagong format, bagong mukha. Same people on cam, but iba yung format. And ang common thread or ang common denominator lahat ng shows na yun would be, they would be raw, I guess. It would be more natural. Yeah. Mas magiging natural siya, mas magiging exciting, mas magiging relatable kasi hindi ka nagfo-focus sa limited or constrained na words na sasabihin mo. Diba? So, yeah, that's it. So, like the usual outro that I do, this has been Steven, and thanks for tuning in to this special episode of Snap. Don't forget to leave a comment, leave a like, and hit that subscribe button below para updated ka pag may in-upload kami agad-agad. Okay? Click mo rin yung bell para activated yung notification sa'yo. And until next time, bye!